5:03 this morning. We're now into day 3 of the federal government shutdown with no end in sight. Today, the Senate will take up competing GOP and Democratic spending bills to try to reopen the government. President Trump said he met yesterday with the director of the Office of Management and Budget amid sharpening threats of mass layoffs and program cuts. Tina Kraus has more.
Today, the U.S. Senate is set to hold another round of votes, now 3 days into a shutdown stalemate. Republicans insist the only way forward is to pass the House's short-term spending bill.
If we can just find a few more Democrats to join us, we can end this shutdown.
But Democrats won't drop their demands that the bill include federal health care subsidies and protections for Medicaid.
We are ready, we are willing, we are able to sit down with anyone, anytime, any place.
The White House is also not budging.
We haven't wanted to negotiate. We just want to keep the government open.
Yesterday, President Trump met with his administration's budget chief, Russ Vought, as he threatens to slash federal jobs and programs.
There could be firings, and that's their fault. We could cut projects that they wanted, favorite projects, and they'd be permanently cut.
In Washington, D.C. and around the country, plans are underway to cope with the shutdown's impact on federal workers.
It will affect, like, say, the next paycheck if we don't get the check. But if they settle it by the 15th, then it'll be okay.
Food banks around the nation, already hit hard with fewer donations, are bracing for even more strain.
We're prepared that there may be an influx of individuals seeking food assistance.
And while thousands of national parks workers are now furloughed, many parks are still open with limited staffing, offering a bright spot for tourists.
If votes in the Senate fail again today, then the shutdown is likely to last through the weekend. That's because the Senate Majority Leader says he won't keep lawmakers in session, giving them time to go home and think it over and return Monday to work towards a spending bill. House lawmakers will return next week.
Now, luckily, the Dublin VA clinic will keep offering health care despite the federal shutdown, but some non-essential programs are on pause this morning. Veterans Affairs Secretary Doug Collins is trying to reassure veterans.
I want any of our veterans to think the actions up here in Washington, D.C. are affecting their health care, dealing with our homelessness, dealing with our benefits and going on.
Secretary Collins did outline some specific programs affected by the shutdown. The Dublin VA says that they won't be able to provide career counseling or transition assistance. Also, some hotlines will be closed and other services are still suspended this morning.
And it's been a tough year for employees at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And now a government shutdown is making things a little bit harder. Health and Human Services estimates about 8,700 CDC employees are furloughed. That's nearly 2/3 of the agency's workforce. Many workers say they're living paycheck to paycheck and don't know when their next payday will come. The shutdown also means critical public health work is on hold, including tracking and reporting new measles cases. Union leaders say federal workers are guaranteed back pay once the government reopens, but in the meantime, they're trying to provide financial help to struggling employees.